We are back for another Talent Tuesday episode, and today I'm going to do something that I saw Grandma Kathy do, and it was to use these skulls, these little tiny skull molds, to create tire caps for vehicles. So I've done some before, but it's so fun. Anyway, I'm going to make a set for myself and a set for Michelle at Royal River Art. But I am going to link Grandma Kathy's video where she did these for you all to have a look at. So, oh, and I will also link where you can get all this in on Amazon also in my description box. So you can get the caps, there's 50 pieces that you can get at a time, and the skulls come in a little pack of 10. And so now, the big thing is that you want to use some glue to glue the caps on here. And I have my skulls placed out so I know where to place the glue. Because you want to glue down these caps to the stick, but in a way that, you know, they can be removed later. Because you need to float the caps in the resin. All right, so got that done. And as you can see off to the side, I have 2 ounces of epoxy resin. Today I am using Resin epoxy resin. See, this just gives it nice spacing. All right. And I'm just going around. Make sure that you're sticking the caps down this way, because you need to be able to, when you unmold it, have that tire thing in. You need to be able to have this side out. Just, yeah, make sure that you've got these things going the right direction. All right, that looks good. And we'll keep going. And today, in addition to using the Resin epoxy resin, I'm also going to use, I'm going to color my resin with TLP Sapphire. Because who doesn't love blue? Okay, I know there's a lot of you out there who have other colors, but I'm going to use Sapphire. I did already mix up my resin for 3 minutes, and then I basically started this. So I'm going to put a good chunk in there of the pigment. I'll mix it up, and that'll give the glue time to do its thing, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I have mixed the mica into the resin. Now, one of the things that I learned the hard way is that you should not overfill these molds, because then the stick, your popsicle stick, will stick to the resin. It won't come off, and everything that you've done will be for nothing. How do I know that? Because I just did that. And I'm going again, which is why I thought, well, I'll make a video out of it. Using one of these little tiny silicone pouring things also makes this a lot easier, because these are hard to fill. So here we go. Let's turn these over. And actually, I think I'm going to move this stick up here. Here we go. Move these around this way. All right, let's just get these out of the way, actually. I'm getting myself organized here. Okay. Maybe. Try and get these guys lined up. Okay, let's do it. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in. Fill it about halfway, maybe just over halfway. Right there. Okay, let's see how we're doing with those. So now we're going to put these in. Remember, that's going to displace resin. So that's good. Get those centered a little bit. That's good. Okay, now from here we can add just little bits in, but not a lot. Okay, I think these are all good. Just gonna adjust. There. So I'll be back when these are cured. Bye for now. It's unmolding time. I'm a little worried that I still managed to fill these up too high. This one I feel a little more confident in. Let's see. Yay! Just a little bit of shaving there. Uh-oh. Oh. That one's not bad. Oh, perfect. And perfect. Yay! So I'll be able to trim that. Okay, these ones now. Ooh. Not bad. Oh, that one's good. Little bit there. I did okay. And I did awesome. Yay. So there we have it. And then it's pretty easy to just pop these right out of their molds. And look at that. I'll just get some scissors and trim that. And that one's ready to go. So super fun project, super easy to do. You could get your kids involved if you've got kids. Get the whole family in. And if you got teens who have their own car, and like my niece, I made a set for her. And hers are red and black. Loves them. And they're just something cool, right? I mean, you could do all kinds of things with these. You could turn them into charms, I guess. I mean, really, it's up to you. But now I've got a set. One set is gonna go up to Michelle at Royal River Art to stick on her car. The other set's gonna go on my car. And here we go. I would actually recommend that if you don't have these molds and you are gonna do it for your car, that you make more than just 4. Make a couple backups just in case they fall off. But look at that. How cool. Oh. Got the teeth in there. I don't know if you can see it, but teeth. And then those caps just fit right on and attach to your tire. So what do you think? This was so fun. So I do have to thank Kathy at Grandma Kathy's Art Venture for the idea. And yep, I totally stole it and used it. So again, please, if you have not seen that video of hers, I will link it up at the top of the screen and it will be in the description below as well. What fun gifts though, right? And the holiday season is coming, not to mention Halloween, Dia de los Muertos, all kinds of things you could use these for. So there you have it. Thanks for being here. Till next week. Bye for now.